What's up guys, today I want to show you how to install a MSD two-step LS engine version on a C6 Corvette. Hey, quick interruption here. For everybody who doesn't know what a two-step is, it's pretty much a second rev limiter your car gets. So if you want to do something like this, and not something like this, then a two-step rev limiter is the exact thing you'll need. So yeah, let's continue the video. I know there's been a few videos showing the install, but I haven't seen one on a C6 Corvette yet, so I thought I might as well go ahead. I unboxed this a couple of minutes ago and already soldered on. I know this is just to check if everything's gonna work the way I want. I already got a bigger switch on order. It's just a function test to see if it works like that, because I'm gonna have it activate by a switch. This is the wire for it, and it's gonna get plugged into the blue wire, this one. The white and blue is activated by 12 volt, which I'm not gonna use because I'm not gonna use it through my clutch pedal. And the box itself, I still need to find a place for it, because in a C6 there is no screw terminal like in, for example, the Trans Am. I've seen a video on that. But first of all, for the install, what you need to do is these are the connector wires. They're gonna get plugged into this one and over there. You just lift up here, and then you should be able to just pull up and out. If you've never removed it, it might be relatively stiff, especially because I'm out here in the winter and there's like ice frozen on the car. But yeah. There you go. Like I told you, it's quite stiff right now, but this is number one. You just need to check which side goes where. So there's one long and one short wire. So as you can see, this end is relatively short in comparison to this end. You see, this end is quite long, this one is short. The short end is going to go on the driver's side, and the longer one is going to reach over to the passenger side. So you remove this one, plug in the new MSD plug, like that. It snaps in place. Then you go ahead, plug the OEM, like that. You always hear a nice satisfying click. And that's this side already done. Make sure it's properly seated. Mine is. Then we're gonna go over onto the other side. You see, it reaches over like that. And when you do the install, please make sure you route the cables so they don't touch the hot headers of the exhaust. That's why I'm gonna figure out a mounting place. Yeah, let's go over to the other side. And once again, same thing here. Carefully lift up on this tab and then pull out the plug. Just like that. Once again, mine is very crispy and stiff. And then you plug in the new plug like so. Be careful with the seal so it's properly, bang, you heard that? So it's properly seated. And then plug in the old connector into the new one. Like that. I know it's not the prettiest way, but first of all I want to, like I said, do a function test. And next up, you can also check how this is set up. Mine is set up at, here it even says RPM per second, thousands and hundreds. Here the small arrow points at 5, here as well. So mine is currently set up for 5,500 as a rev limit. And next up, what you want to check is to find a spot to route the blue wire into your interior, which I'm gonna try to find out next. I actually left the ground completely connected the whole time, and for testing purposes I only put it at 4,500 RPM. We're gonna see how that turns out and if it's actually working. Then I'm gonna play around a little bit, maybe put it up at 5,500 as it was. And yeah, let's see if everything works fine ignition wise. Acceptable, the sound at this RPM range where you're not really revving it high. I'm also curious what happens if you downshift and you go over the 4,500 limit. Right now the oil temperature is 8 degrees Celsius, so we have quite a while to continue and heat it up a bit. Modified, so it pretty much doesn't muffle anymore, and it's got 100 cell racing cats, and that's how you can really hear all the burbles like crazy. It's like insane. I put the wiring, I grounded it here, put a switch there. I know it's ghetto as hell, but so far it works. Let's try this again. Dude! love that shit. That's incredible. Still curious though, what happens if I downshift? If it like lets it go over? We're gonna try out right now. I'm at 50, shifting into second. Okay, that was only 3,000s. Dude! Oh my god. Launch control is the legit thing to put on your C6. There's like no excuse for it. It's so cool. Actually, we could try it out flying. Damn, but it smells like unburnt fuel. You can immediately smell it. Damn! Oh my god! Dude, that's just ridiculous. Let's go! Oh my god! God, I love this car. People, get yourself a sports car. Okay, let's hear it in the tunnel.